I just showed you the right way of storing the sheet mask, and in case if you have not noticed, my sheet masks were stored in a box in a horizontal position rather than the vertical position, and this is the right way to store. And I learned this technique from one of my favorite YouTuber, Eunice Unni. Like, she shared in a video that storing sheet mask vertically drenches down all the essence at the bottom of the sheet, and when you apply the sheet on your face, you are only getting half of the goodness. So moment I understood this, realized this, since then I have been storing my sheet mask horizontally. And yes, it does take a little bit of effort while shuffling through the sheet mask to pick up your sheet mask for that day, but still I feel it's better because I will be able to get most out of my sheet mask. So today's video is dedicated to sheet masking. I will be talking about like why sheet mask is beneficial, answering some frequently asked questions, like very frequently asked question, and also I will be sharing my favorites and some good alternative to sheet mask. Like, sheet masking is like the best thing ever done, but it does create some not some but quite a lot of wastage, especially when used on daily basis. So from last year I have been hoarding a sheet mask very less. Otherwise I used to have 2 full boxes of sheet mask, but from almost a year I haven't hoarded a lot. I have been like using up what I have, and then I decided to get only the best sheet mask, not any random sheet mask for my daily usage. And yeah, so that's what I have been doing. And anyways, enough of the random chit chatting, and let's start the video. So to all the newbies out there who have never seen a sheet mask, who have never used a sheet mask and don't know what is a sheet mask, so this is for you. A sheet mask is nothing but sheet made up of cotton or maybe of any material which is cut in a shape of your face, and it is often pre-soaked in a good quantity of a solution, which can be a watery kind, which can be viscous, and sometimes it's almost like a lotion. So these sheet masks come in various variety for different skin concern, for different skin types. Next question comes is, why sheet masking? Is it really good? Does it even do anything for your skin, or is it just for fun and a waste of money? And all I can say is a sheet mask has its own benefit for your skin. Like, if you are somebody who is new to serious skincare and is not sure of like where to start, or if you have not decided to fully dedicate yourself to a serious skincare, sheet masks are the right way and the easiest way and the most affordable way to explore different ingredients for your skin types. Secondly is like, being a dry skin person, and also my skin is very much prone to getting severely dehydrated, sheet masks are the most effective way to quickly drench my extremely dehydrated skin and get rid of the dryness. And like, I have tried some different product, but nothing works as amazing as the sheet mask. But yes, hold on, I will be sharing some good alternative that can be used on a daily basis or very frequently, just to maintain the hydration level on your skin. And now let me share my top 5 sheet masks, and I decided to include only those sheet masks which I have bought n number of times in the past years, and also I'm willing to buy them again in the future. Like, if you ask me, all the sheet masks are more or less same, only very few give that instant glow on your skin or some good effect which would last for 2 or 3 days. Otherwise I take most of the sheet mask as quick fix for my severe dehydration and nothing more than that. But the 5 which I'm going to share, like, they do beyond the hydration effect and they overall help in preparing your skin. The first sheet mask is from my favorite brand, Cosrx, and this sheet mask, like previously a year back, it used to come in just a sheet mask packaging like this one over here, and now it comes in a 3-step version. The first step consists of their famous Good Morning Low pH cleanser, and the second part of the sheet mask consists of their toning pad, and the third one is the sheet mask. So I use my sheet mask after I have double cleansed, used my toner, essence, serum, and even the eye cream, and then I apply this sheet mask and I leave it on for good 20-30 minutes, and once I remove it, I follow up with a moisturizer, and I'm done with the skincare routine for that day. And why I love this Cosrx sheet mask? Simply because it contains two of my favorite ingredients. One is the snail mucin filtrate, and second one is the ginseng water. And also with its usage, I see that my skin gets repaired instantly. My skin feels soft, hydrated, and maybe a little bright. The second set of sheet masks are from the brand Etude House, and if you have been following me, you must be knowing that I'm obsessed with the Etude House sheet mask, and I love them because they are much better than compared to all the road shop brands, and like at a really good price you are getting a high quality solution and a high quality sheet, and they just overall perform amazingly. And so I always keep my eyes on 1+1 deal on Etude House sheet mask, or get them whenever they are on sale. And I in general enjoy all of their variant, but two of their variant are my absolute favorite and I highly recommend them. And the first one is the lemon, and this lemon variant has very watery, non-sticky essence, so I feel that everyone out there can try it out. And I especially love this lemon variant for the summertime because it hydrates without any stickiness, and also it provides that even toned bright skin finish. And the second one is the snail variant. It has lotion like essence, so that is why I particularly love this snail variant for the winter time, or on days when I feel that my skin is very badly dried out, dehydrated, and damaged. And the day, like whenever I use this snail variant, it instantly repairs my skin, get rid of the dryness, dehydration, and just overall improves the skin condition. And the third sheet mask is from the brand Jumiso. Like Jumiso has few but really amazing collection of sheet masks, and I particularly love their white variant, the one for the brightening effect. And like it says brightening, and it does give you that brightening effect. Like whenever I use it, next day my skin looks more even toned and literally a shade brighter and lighter. So if you like need a sheet mask that instantly gives you result, Jumiso is the one you should definitely try out, especially their white variant. It's the amazing and I love it, and also it gives that really good hydration and moisture effect to the skin. And this particular sheet mask is suitable for all skin type out there, but if you have oily skin, I'm not sure, you might not like it. Like the essence is not viscous, but it tend to feel a bit sticky, especially if the weather is humid or very hot. Otherwise, like I have dry skin, I really don't mind that stickiness. I actually love it because my skin needs that. But if you have oily skin, save this white variant for the winter time. The sheet mask at the second position is the Dr. Jart Ceramidine sheet mask. This sheet mask also has lotion like essence, but somehow it doesn't feel that sticky or heavy compared to others whatever I have used. And whenever I use this Dr. Jart sheet mask, my skin literally looks 2 shades brighter, more even toned, calm, hydrated, moisturized, and literally everything I want my skin to be. And also the material they have used for the sheet is very different from the other sheet mask. Like it is made of a cotton, but it almost feel like a cotton fabric. So everything is amazing about it, and if you have normal dry skin or even combination skin, should definitely give this a try. And I absolutely love this sheet mask, definitely getting it more. And also I want to try other variants from the Dr. Jart, because honestly I haven't come across any kind of negative review on Dr. Jart sheet mask. Like whoever used it, they always say Dr. Jart sheet masks are on another level. The sheet mask to rank at the first position is the Troy Aroke GPS mask, and there there are many reasons why I love this mask. And before that, I want to say is I don't use this sheet mask very often. Like, I save it for the special occasion, or I use it only once or twice in a month. And one of the reason is it's quite costly, and second reason is this is not your conventional hydrating mask. It's more like a treatment product. And also I feel that a GPS mask can safely be used and enjoyed by the oily skin people. And this sheet mask comes in a 3-step. Like, first step is their cleanser. It contains a gel like product, and I use it on my clean dry face, and as I spread it across face, the gel like product turns into a microfoam, and I let it foam up for I guess 1 minute or so. Like, I don't leave it on for more than 1 minute. And like, once it is completely foamed up, I massage this foam onto my skin, and then I add a water, and then I rinse it off like a regular cleanser. And the second step consists of the GPS mask, and the sheet used in it is very unique and very different. It is not made up of cotton, and they have used the fermented biocellulose sheet. The solution used in it, it's more like a gel, and also it's super lightweight, non-sticky. So I leave this GPS mask for some good 20 minutes or so, and once I remove it, oh my god, my skin looks so bright and calm. With this GPS mask on, you can move around, do your thing, and the sheet will not move even a centimeter. It has a really good adherence, and the only issue is that the sheet is a bit big for my face. And the third step is the moisturizer. The moisturizer is rich but yet lightweight and non-sticky. So the reasons why I love this GPS mask: number one, it calms my skin, helps in reducing the redness. It also brightens my skin, like my skin looks 2 shades brighter. And also this sheet mask helps in reducing the pores. I have never seen a sheet mask doing that. And also it provides some subtle firmness on your skin. So you see, it does everything for your skin, and all the good results last for 2-3 days. And so I just love everything about this sheet mask. And the formulation used in all the 3 steps is super mild and sensitive skin friendly, doesn't have any kind of fragrance. And now let me share some amazing alternative to sheet masking. Like, things which I'm going to share are not the 100% exact alternative, but they do an amazing job if you are somebody who have a habit of sheet masking on a daily basis. And these techniques or methods or alternatives will definitely be useful. So the first alternative is the 7-skin method, and in 7-skin method we use a gentle hydrating toner and layer it in small quantities 7 times. And if you want to know more about the 7-skin method, I have talked about it in detail in this video over here. And if you are looking out for some really intense hydrating toner, I have reviewed them in this video over here. The next alternative is using the compressed sheet mask capsule. Like, if you go to the Miniso store, you will find various kinds of compressed sheet mask. And previously I used up their white variant, and it was made up of viscose material. And second time I did a mistake of getting a bamboo charcoal version, and the bamboo charcoal version is more suitable for the oily skin people because it helps in reducing the sebum and also take care of the pore. But anyways, just for the sake of video, I will be demonstrating you like how to use it. So whenever you are using these compressed sheet mask capsule, make sure that you use them in a narrow deep container, and also the toner that you are using is preferably watery but hydrating in nature. So once I have drenched the compressed sheet mask capsule fully, I leave it on for good 5 minutes, and when it is bulged up fully, I unfold it and apply it on my face for some 15-20 minutes, just like any sheet mask, and I'm good to go. And like Miniso sheet mask quality is not the best one, but still they are okay, like for the price that you are paying. So the third alternative is the Kama Ayurveda Moringa oil. And before I talk a little about this one, I just want to mention this is neither a cleansing oil nor a leave-on oil. This is consider this as a wash-off mask. So I like to use this in the morning time on my clean dry face, and like as soon as I wake up, I massage my face for 10 minutes or so using this oil, and I just leave it on for next 15-20 minutes, and in the meantime I brush my teeth or do some other task, and then I rinse it off with a foaming cleanser. Like rinsing this off is very important. Do not leave it on your face. And since I'm talking about this one, I also want to mention the I'm From Honey mask, and this is a wash off mask, and many people love it and use it as a good alternative to sheet masking. And I have used once or twice, like I had a sample of it, and yeah, it does provide a good hydration and moisture to your skin, so you can even use that one. And the fourth alternative is using a layerable or detachable cotton pads, and I have these 3-ply detachable cotton pads from Miniso, and it is in the material 100% viscose. And checking these 2 points is very important. Like if you have ever visited Miniso store, they have n number of varieties of cotton pad, and it gets very confusing. So next time when you visit, and if you are planning to get a cotton pad for the sheet masking purpose, this is the variety you need to get. And so what I do is like I take this cotton puff, drench it completely in my hydrating toner, and apply on part of the face which is dry. Like my nose and forehead, it's still quite normal, but this U portion is extremely dry, so I often apply it on my cheeks and then apply on this part of the face. And then I leave it on for 10-15 minutes, and then I remove it and follow up with my usual skincare routine. And now let's move on to the frequently asked question part. And I'm sure that many of you must be having very unique questions. Like if you do, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. And the first one is can a sheet mask be used daily? Yes, if a sheet mask says hydration and moisture, and no if a sheet mask says that it brightens your skin, firms or provide nourishment, elasticity, or contains ingredient like AHA, BHA or vitamin C. And the next question is when to use a sheet mask. A sheet mask can be used day and night. Some people like to use it during the daytime, and I particularly love to use sheet mask at night time. And I make sure that I sheet mask on night. I have used the exfoliators, and in general I sheet mask 1 to 2 times per week. And the third one is can men or teens use a sheet mask? And my answer is why not? Everybody can use the sheet mask. And just for the teens, to be safe, make sure you pick sheet mask that says hydration, moisture or calming. Don't go for a very intensive variant. And for men, I will say, like if you have beard or mustache, you can just fold the sheet mask at that part and enjoy the session. And the next is what's the best duration for sheet masking? All the sheet masks usually have a duration mentioned in the description part of their packaging. And what I do is like if I see that my sheet mask has a watery essence, 20-30 minutes is a good time. and if a sheet mask has a very viscous essence or has a lotion like essence, I leave on that sheet mask for 50 minutes or something, and I make sure that I don't let the sheet mask dry on my face. Like when I'm removing the sheet mask from my face, I see that the sheet is still slightly damp and is not paper dry, because if you let the sheet mask dry on your face, it can cause further dryness or even redness on certain patches. So make sure you don't do this mistake. And the last one is, can oily skin people use sheet mask? And I will say is, oily skin people, pick a sheet mask that says hydration, and if you are sure that sheet has a watery essence or have used ingredients like BHA. So that's all for this video. I hope you found the content useful, and if so, give this video a big thumbs up, because this is the only way I can understand that you like certain kind of videos. And if you have any kind of recommendation, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to come up with the video as soon as possible. And until next time, bye bye.